An electric valve would not function without one very important part: the solenoid. Let's take a look at this critical component and the role it plays in the successful operation of an irrigation system. To operate electronically, all valves must have an electric solenoid. Typically, it takes 24 volts of AC power supplied by an electric controller to activate a solenoid. In other cases, solenoids can function using 9 volts of DC power provided by a battery-operated controller. The Hunter 24-volt AC solenoid uses 2 red wires. The polarity is not critical, so either wire can serve as the common or zone wire. The Hunter 9-volt DC latching solenoid uses 1 red and 1 black wire. With this model, the polarity of the wires is extremely important to ensure proper operation. Both the Hunter AC and DC latching solenoids are compatible with all Hunter valves for easy servicing. In this video, we'll focus on the AC-powered Hunter solenoid. Good wire connections are crucial for preventing water intrusion into the stranded copper wires. A poor connection could allow water to seep in, disrupting solenoid operation and causing it to short out. We recommend using the 3M DBOB connector or Hunter WC100 connector for watertight solenoid connections. To ensure a strong connection, strip back the sheathing about 3/4 of an inch, 19 millimeters, to expose the copper wire. Next, twist the solenoid and zone wires together using an appropriate connector. Insert the wire nut and wires into the gel-filled tube. Be sure to push the wire nut all the way to the bottom of the tube for a moisture-resistant connection. Once the wires from the valve solenoid are spliced together with the wires from the controller, your connection should be complete. Hunter solenoids are built to last. 316 feet of 29-gauge copper wire is wrapped 1,900 times around a bobbin. This massive amount of wire transforms the bobbin into a magnet when the solenoid is energized, allowing it to control the flow of water through the system. The solenoid is precisely assembled using the highest quality standards. All the components that make up the solenoid are over-molded with glass-filled nylon that completely encases the internal electrical components. The over-molding process keeps water from penetrating inside or getting past the base of the wires. This ensures the solenoid is fully sealed for long-lasting reliability in the field. All Hunter valves use the same solenoid design. It features a unique male thread pattern with 2 lead-ins for easier installation. Since Hunter AC and DC latching solenoids work with all Hunter valves, there's no guesswork when it comes to selecting the right part during installs. While the solenoid is at rest in the closed position, no power reaches the wires. The tip of the stainless steel plunger blocks the water flow, keeping irrigation from happening. When a controller activates a zone, it sends an electrical current to the valve. This energizes the solenoid. The resulting current creates a magnetic field that pulls up the stainless steel plunger. As the tip rises from the seat, water is released from the chamber above the diaphragm. It flows downstream, allowing the valve to open, so water can flow through the system. As electricity is continually applied, the magnetic field keeps the stainless steel plunger in the up position so that irrigation can occur. Hunter valves feature a unique reverse flow path. When in the off position, it allows the high-pressure water to rise from the center solenoid seat without surrounding the plunger. This clever design requires less electrical energy to operate the solenoid. Other irrigation valves are designed so that high-pressure water surrounds the solenoid plunger when in the off position. This requires more energy to lift the plunger and turn on the valve. When there's a high-pressure surge, the innovative design of the Hunter solenoid causes the plunger to momentarily lift off the valve seat. This releases the pressure downstream to prevent damage to the valve. Hunter solenoids are critical to the successful function of electric valves. They require less energy to operate than other solenoids and are compatible with all Hunter valves for easy servicing. Plus, their cutting-edge design assures watertight performance and prevents damage to the valve during high-pressure surges. To ensure years of reliable, trouble-free operation, Hunter solenoids are a smart choice. To learn more about our complete line of industry-leading valves for residential and commercial applications, visit hunterindustries.com.